Hi guys, my name is Sam. Today I'm here to teach you some classic cocktails and some mocktails. So we'll start with the Margarita cocktail. It is tequila based, okay, with lime and triple sec. So here we start how we can make a margarita. We'll take a margarita glass and we have to coat it this with rim, salted rim. We'll take a wedge of lime and we'll coat it and the entire rim or half. You can do whatever you wish. Sometimes we keep it optional. You give half rim we are giving and half we are giving just without rim, or you can give with rim. Okay, so it depends. So I'm giving the full rim. So this way you can rim your glass. So you'll keep this glass aside, and now I'll load my shaker with the ice. Some 3-4 cubes of ice. This why I'm doing, because I want to make my glass chilled. Okay, if your equipments are colder enough, and then the dilution will be lesser and your cocktail taste will be good. If your equipments are hot, so that will create more dilution and cocktail will be more watery. That's why I want to keep my glasses already chilled. Okay, this is how I loaded my shaker with the ice. To make cocktails, you have to first start with the non-alcoholic ingredients. Okay, so that once you are done with all alcoholic, non-alcoholic ingredients, so you are safe side, and at last, once you make sure everything is added in the right quantity, then at last you can add your base spirit. And when you explain, like if I ask you some question, what is Margarita cocktail? So then you have to start with the base, vice versa. Banate time, you have to add non-alcoholic first, and at last you have to finish with the alcohol. And when you explain, you have to first mention the base spirit and then following non-alcoholic. Okay, so first of all, I'll add lime juice. So lime juice, I will add almost 22.5 ml, 15 ml triple sec. This is homemade triple sec, orange flavored. Okay, and at last 50 to 60 ml of tequila. You have to drain this water which is already diluted, so that if you keep it inside, your cocktail get more water. So you have to have crisp and clear ice and top it up with more ice, almost 3/4 of the glass, or you can say 75% it should be filled with the ice. Okay, so that there will be less space inside to get the air. So if lesser the air, lesser the dilution. I mean, the space is enough, more enough space will create more dilution, which is in the result that is more watery cocktail. That you have to understand. Okay, so everything is added here. One hand we have ice, other hand we have a mixture, and you can do one thing also. You can taste it at this stage, ki whether or not your cocktail is going into right direction or not. Because once you make it, if you feel there is a less sweet or more sour, then again you have to add, then you have to again shake it. So it's good before processing, you taste it, and then later on you don't have to taste it because it is already correct. You have to shake only 12 to 14 seconds, not too much, because shaking too much will create more dilution. So if one cocktail can be made in 12 to 14 seconds, you don't have to do overshake it. Okay, fine strain, because all the stemware glasses like this Margarita, you don't have to add ice. So now you can see your glass size and your cocktail, इसमें भी कुछ नहीं बचा. Your recipe was correct और इसने perfect एक space ले लिया जितना ही भरना. अब cocktail इससे ऊपर भी नहीं भरी होनी चाहिए और बहुत ज़्यादा डाउन भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. एक ग्लास के हिसाब से उसका वो पोर्शन साइज भी आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, एंड अ लाइम वेज. गार्निश इज ऑलवेज बेस्ड ऑन what the flavor is. So you can give garnish as per your convenient. I'm following a classic garnish which is a lime wedge. Lime wedge is given if in case like this cocktail is rimmed with salt, right? So maybe I feel okay, this has to be more sour. I made it balanced. Sour को थोड़ा ऊपर रखा, sweet को थोड़ा नीचे रखा. But maybe you are still feeling this is more sweeter, because it cannot be more sweeter because salt goes good with this sourness. खट्टे के साथ में salt अच्छा जाता है. So in that case, I will pick up a lemon, squeeze it, and create it more savory as per your convenience. That's why the lemon wedge is given. Otherwise, you can give any lemon garnish. You can give dehydrated, you can give peel, designed garnish. That is up to you. Okay, done guys. This is a Margarita cocktail, the first cocktail of the day.